I'm Mr. Stembiso Lushozi from Pinetown District in the Mafukuzela Gandhi Circuit Management Center. Um, we as a CMC are happy to report that we have quite efficient professional learning of learning communities. Uh, we started this about 3-4 years ago. It wasn't an easy start, but as soon as our educators found their footing on the PLCs, we have seen it yielding very good results. As a result, the CMC is quite on the upward trajectory in terms of performance, including even at NSC level. Although I must hasten to say, even our GT band is also improving as a result of the PLC intervention. We've tried to orientate or to focus our PLCs in such a way that they are not only focused on assessment, although their strength at the moment is on the assessment of learning, but we are trying to infuse a philosophy and concept of the assessment for learning, which is more geared towards teacher development, and and teacher practices for enhanced learning outcomes. We must also uh, declare that as management, we do not control PLCs. However, we have, out of collaboration and mutual understanding, developed a line of sight so that we are aware of what is it that they are doing, but also they are able to feed back to us where they require our intervention, probably where they would have identified areas of challenges, maybe teachers not fully participating, then they will require our assistance and support. But we allow these PLCs to run on their own. And since they are teacher led and teacher driven, we found them that teachers are enthusiastically participating in them. And as a result, they are very effective. We are happy, although there is still room for improvement, but we are happy with the journey that we have traversed so far. I wish to thank you.